Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Here Imran Ali. Welcome in my channel with the name of Imran Educator. If you are new, please subscribe and like my videos to support me to make quality videos for you. It's really motivate me. Today my topic name is what is Kalima. Kalima is very important for being a Muslim. It is the gateway of Islam. It is the first step to enter Islam. First you recite Kalima La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Then you are eligible to enter in Islam. The meaning of Kalima La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is there is no God except Allah, and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam is the messenger of God. Kalima meaning in Urdu, Allah Ta'ala के सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं और हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु ताला अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाह ताला के आखिरी रसूल हैं. Inshallah, in the next video, I will share you the importance of Kalima Tayyiba. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Please subscribe my channel with the name of Imran Educator. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. God